Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, pen. This is my pen. Second, road. This road is very long. 3. That is your house. Fourth, mango. These are 7 mangoes. Fifth, this is a mango. Sixth, myself. I hurt myself. Seventh, few knows her address. Eighth, someone stole my car. Ninth, class. Nobody attended the class. 10th, some are born great. 11th, himself. He opened the door himself. 12, mine. Those books are mine. 13, one must do one's duty. 14th, they are repairing their car. 15th, aim. Rahul aims to be a teacher. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.